When you're on one of your project kickoff phone calls, what's the first thing you do? You might grab a notepad, right? A pen and paper, or maybe the type of notepad that ends in .txt. Or maybe you start jotting things down into a spreadsheet to track tasks and objectives as you go. Now, we know how these calls typically go. In our example here, Pete calls Eric to discuss a range of feedback they've gathered, much of which will be used to develop a new set of SOL designs for their product, the VF2. And then, pen, pad, spreadsheet. But not for Pete and Eric, not this time. They got on that kickoff call like they usually do, only this time, they've got SOLIDWORKS and 3D experience. And with the latter, they get to start smart and simple. With their 3D experience logins, Pete and Eric both have access to add feedback notes representing